everyone, welcome to my multimedia presentation. My name is Shreya Santosh Lahane. I am studying in 9th CBSE. My school name is RP English Medium School Badnapur. Project name is Veer Gatha 3.0. My today's topic is 1857 Mutiny has been marked as first war of independence. The life story of Mangal Pandey motivates me. First of all, what is 1857 revolt? The Indian Rebellion of 1857 was a major uprising in India between 1857 to 58 against the rule of the British East India Company, which functioned as a sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. The event is known by many names, including the Sepoy Mutiny, the Indian Mutiny, the Great Rebellion, the Revolt of 1857, the Indian Insurrection, and India's First War of Independence. Beginning of the revolt. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 began as a mutiny of sepoys of the East India Company's army on 10 May 1857 in the town of Meerut and soon escalated into other mutinies and civilian rebellions largely in the upper Gangetic Plains and central India. Leaders of 1857 revolt were Bahadur Shah Zafar, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, Liaquat Ali, Tantya Tope, Kunwar Singh, Bakht Khan, Khan Bahadur, Khan Rohilla. First spark of War of Independence, Mangal Pandey. Hero of Indian Rebellion of 1857 was a sepoy in the 34th Bengal Native Infantry BNI Regiment of the British East India Company. His primary motivation was due to a new type of bullet cartridge that was thought to be greased with animal fat. His attack on British officers on March 29, 1857 was the first major incident of First War of Independence. Surrounded by guards, he tried to commit suicide by shooting himself but arrested. British authorities, fearing the outbreak of a large-scale revolt, moved his execution date from 18th April to April 8. Mangal Pandey was born on July 19 in 1827 in Akbarpur, India, died on April 8 in 1857 in Barakpur. Indian soldier whose attack on British officers on March 29 in 1857 was the first major incident of what came to be known as the Indian or Sepoy Mutiny in India. The uprising is often called the First War of Independence or other similar names. Mangal Pandey was born in a town near Faizabad in what is now eastern Uttar Pradesh state in northern India, although some give his birthplace as a small village near Lalitpur in present-day southwestern Uttar Pradesh. He was from a high-caste Brahmin landowning family that professed strong Hindu beliefs. Pandey joined the army of the British East India Company in 1849. Some accounts suggesting that he was recruited by a brigade that marched past him. In India, Pandey has been remembered as a freedom fighter against British rule. A commemorative postage stamp with his image on it was issued by the Indian government in 1984. In addition, a movie and stage play that depicted his life both appeared in 2005. Conclusion of the revolt. The revolt of 1857 is still remembered by the local people as the first war of independence. The rebellion saw the end of the British East India Company's rule in India. In August, by the Government of India Act 1858, the company was formally dissolved and its ruling powers over India were transferred to the British Crown. Thank you for watching my video.